Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Rose and today we're doing an unboxing of a Bvlgari handbag. Okay, so just before we get into the unboxing, just want to let you guys know that this handbag is a gift from my husband. Tomorrow is my birthday and we went to Chadstone yesterday. My husband took me into Bvlgari so I could pick out the handbag that I wanted. So good on my husband, go him, and I hope you guys love this bag as much as I do. So the bag that they've given me, like the packaging, they've only got a big size, so they gave me this mammoth box and bag over here, but I promise I don't think the handbag is that big. So that's what it looks like. The color is absolutely beautiful. It's like a champagne bronze metallic color. The bag is a bit rigid. I don't know how to describe that. And in here we've got the Bvlgari box. Okay. Here we go. There it is. There is a Z bag. It says Bvlgari on there in gold. It's raised. There is also the ribbon here. It has Bvlgari embossed on it. It's quite nice. Feels quite lovely. Anyway, it's just a ribbon. Let's open it up and see how big the bag is in the box. Okay, I apologize if I'm losing focus. And my camera's a bit shizen. So this is the box. Now we just need to open it. It's looking okay. So down at the bottom there is a flap. So it's a magnetic clip. There we go. Cool. Right. Oh shit. Oh! We've got some tissue paper. That's cute. So you can really see how small the bag is compared to the box. So, oh wow. Let's just chuck the box there because I won't need it. The bag actually feels quite exquisite. It's just not a ordinary cotton bag. It's like a micro suede. It's quite beautiful. The rope detailing on here, it's like a gold nylon rope, you know. All right, so it's a drawstring style. Okay. Oh, and it also says Bvlgari on there. I didn't actually realize it was on there. Okay, so this one was a brand new bag. I always ask the agent to give me a new one if they've got it. Everyone likes it when it's not displayed on the shelf. Alright, so the bag here is the Serpenti Ellipse bag, still in its packaging, so let's just take these bad boys off. After unwrapping all of that stuff put in the bag, we have this. This is the Serpenti Ellipse bag by Bvlgari. Now she is an absolute pretty bird. It does come with a shorter strap, so you can clip it on to wear it like this. You can have the strap hang down, or you can even tuck the strap. This long chain here is not removable, so it's fixed on the bag. You can tuck it in to the handbag and zip it up, so it's quite concealed. This beautiful bag has two different textures of cowhide, so you've got a very heavy grained, or yeah, it's quite a grainy leather. And then for the gusset of the bag, it's quite smooth and feels very, very lovely. Brass trimming, so it's a zip detail right there. You've got the serpent motif with some onyx stones, and for the eyes of the serpent, there we go, they're in red, so I don't think they would be ruby, it could be a garnet. The detail of the serpent, you could actually see the little teeth. The back of the bag, there is a secret pouch here. It's not big enough to stretch much, like I wouldn't be jamming, you know, a wallet in there or a phone. It's not that flexible, and it's got the Bvlgari logo on there. Alright, now let's have a look inside the bag. So I'll just open that up. In here you've got a bright pink lining, and by the look of it, 2 black pouches. So one over here and another one in here. I can feel a little tag. That would be where the so there's like a little tag in there for authenticity, and then there's another black pouch up here. So usually with the Bvlgari bags, they come with their little mirrors, and this bag, however, doesn't come with it, but it does fit the phone, which is the important thing. I don't carry a whole heap of stuff with me, so the things that I would carry is my phone, my card holder, cash, lip balm, lipstick, and maybe a small tube of hand cream, and that would be it. It just helps you control what you want to carry, and you don't damage it by putting too much crap in there. There's a little bit of a story about this bag and this size. So initially I wanted the blue one, going back maybe 4 months ago or the start of the year, and I showed my husband because I saw it in the flesh, and he's like, oh god, like no, not the blue one. And I'm glad that he did, because it's been 4-5 months since I was there, and I had a look at it again, and I was just like, yeah, nah. So we went with black. I didn't really want another black bag, but black always just looks so beautiful, so can't go wrong. Also, I wanted a bright red one. Like, I wanted a bright red bag, so I'm still on a hunt for a beautiful bright red handbag. Eventually the right one will come to me. Initially I wanted a smaller size, and the smaller size is probably very similar to this back pouch here. I really loved it, however it didn't fit my phone, and it was just like, it was sticking up at the top, and you know, you had to really maneuver it into an awkward angle to kind of get it to sit, and it didn't actually zip up at all. If you've got a very small phone, mine is the Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max. If you've got something smaller, it may fit, but yeah, just this phone just really didn't work for what I needed it to do. And this one comfortably fits my phone in there, so in it goes. I don't really need to do too much to it, and she's in there with plenty of room. The receipt, right, the retail price for the Hobo Serpenti Forever accessories, otherwise known as the Serpenti Ellipse bag, is $4,020 AUD. So Australian dollars. And apparently these bags come with a 2-year warranty. Bvlgari International Warranty and Authenticity Certificate. This card is associated to a Bvlgari original creation. It is activated on the date of purchase and covers manufacturing defects. Access through NFC or QR code for more information on the product and warranty. Ooh. There is a SAP code, so I believe that is the serial number for the handbag. And then there's a card number, so that's pretty cool. Apparently Bvlgari have this thing where they can put their phone or device over the bag and it will pop up the information of the purchase and whose name it's in, blah blah blah. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching my birthday gift unboxing video of the Bvlgari Serpentia Lips bag in the black calf leather. If you've got this bag, I want to know what color you have, what size, and what you think of it. If you've got any questions about the bag at all, just pop it in the comments below and I'll get back to you. I'm also thinking of doing a comparison between the Dior saddle bag and the Bvlgari Lips bag, see which one I like better. I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching once again. Bye byes.